Hi everyone, Rich Morris with Stabila. We're asked on a daily basis, how do I know if my level is still accurate? What I'm going to do today is give you a simple field test, how you can check it for level and plumb. Let's get started. The first vial we're going to check is the center vial. We're going to check it for level. What I want you to do is establish one solid control line along the frame of the level. Center your vial perfectly between equal distance of the lines. Make one continuous control line all the way through. I want you to put a control point over the center of your vial. This is a reference point that we'll always return to while checking the level. Now we'll rotate it end for end. You're going to align it on your control line that we made the continuous length of the frame, returning to your control point over the center of the vial. Once you've completed that, the bubble should read the exact same, equal distance on both lines. This is how you know your level is accurate in that position. The type 196 is readable in top read and bottom read, the same specification, 0.029. So you could flip the level, align on your control line, and make sure you've centered your control point. As you can see, the bubble reads the same, top read or bottom read. Next, we're going to check the level for plumb. That's going to require a few extra steps. I have the level in the plumb application right now. We're going to do the same process. We're going to make one continuous control mark all the way down. What I've done is I've centered this vial perfectly between the lines. This level is calibrated so the top and bottom vial read the same. So right now, as I look at the vial, both bubbles are equally centered between the lines. I'm going to make one continuous control line all the way through. I'm also going to put that reference point at the center vial again. This is our control point where we want to return the level. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the level end for end. I'm going to line up on my control point. And I'm going to reference one bubble. This bubble is perfect. That means the top one should be as well. And it's perfectly centered as well. This states the level's accurate in plumb and level. It's that simple. Hi guys, one more thing I want to talk about is when we see people return their levels for a warranty issue, they're looking at because it didn't meet accuracy. The first thing we do is we check the level. We try to figure out why it's not accurate. We have a small percentage that ever come back over the years of Stabila selling levels that don't meet our manufacturer's guidelines, our accuracy statement. So here's what I want you guys to do. Before you send a level back, do yourself a quick check and find out why it's not accurate. Here's a simple check. What we see often is somebody will take their level on a flat edge, and what they're looking for is see if the frame is bent. They'll do it this way, and they'll do it this way. And they're looking for any daylight. This level looks fairly straight, but here's how a level truly bends. Typically, we don't see a bend in a level this way. It's this way. Watch when I just simply rotate this level. You'll see daylight here. We're tight top and bottom. What that indicates is that it has a potato chip bend to it. It's because the level fell sideways. So what that really transfers to is this. I'm going to place the level tight. Take a look at that level there, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm holding it tight against the frame, but look at the bend to this. This is typically what a level looks like when it comes back to us that didn't meet our specifications. When someone says it's out of accuracy, this is typically we'll see a bend like this. It's where someone's throwing it in the back of their truck and threw their compressor on top of it, their generator. That's typically the fashion. If you want to see less bending, and long levels especially, manufacturers have a hard time stopping this type of bend because you can't guarantee that someone's not going to abuse the level. To get the most strength out of a level, there's a level that we manufacture. It's called the R-beam. The R-beam is a different profile style. It's 120% stronger than any other level that's made in the industry. The reason being it's because of the way it's actually designed, the shape and the contour of the level. The R-beam resists against this type of fall. When they fall this way, it's called that potato chip bend. Or if somebody's to throw stuff on top of the level, it makes it stronger. Levels are going to fall, we know that. Take every precaution you can when you're properly transporting a level. So guys, before you send your level back, perform that little check. Turn the level this direction and just look for that potato chip bend. That will avoid a warranty and it'll save you on some shipping. you could see this level is severely bent. Thanks everybody. Work safe. Have a great day. Rich with Stabila.